Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working issue on iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open settings, and from here guys you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is working properly. And after this guys, you have to just simply scroll it below and then tap on journal. And from here guys, you have to just simply scroll it below, then tap on shutdown. So guys, simply shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after this open your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open settings, and from here guys simply turn on airplane mode and again turn it off, and you have to just simply connect your Wi-Fi, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open your Wi-Fi, tap on that warning button, simply tap on password, copy your password, and after this forget this network and again turn off your Wi-Fi, again turn it on, and after this tap on your Wi-Fi and paste your password, and after this join and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply restart your Wi-Fi router for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open journal, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time. So guys, after trying all of these steps, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.